In today's video, we're taking a look at a smokeless grill that can be used inside or outside. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. So you woke up today and you feel like grilling, but it's either raining or it's too hot outside, or you're just looking to create more grill stations in your kingdom. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. So basically, a smokeless grill, just like the name implies, it's gonna give you the ability to grill inside the home because of the built-in extractor fans that usually go up and set off the alarm. This particular unit has a grill surface of 13 inches 3/4 by 8 inches. And it has a minimum temperature of 200 Fahrenheit, which is 93 Celsius, to a maximum of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 232 Celsius. It has a non-stick coating on the cooking surface, and it does have dishwasher safe parts that can make the after grilling process a lot smoother. Everything that will not have any contact with the heat is plastic, which makes it lightweight and easy to move from one location to the other. Once we take it out the box, we'll notice it comes with a glass lid, which can be used to keep warm before serving or to make the cooking process a lot faster. That we noticed during the testing that the handle gets warm but not hot. And that is because there's rubber washers on each side of the screw and nut that hold the handle in place. Also in the front, we have this drip tray and water tray. According to the manufacturer's owner's manual, it says it has a maximum water capacity of 2 cups. But in our testing, we only feel comfortable using 1 cup. By placing the smokeless grill on a level and stable location, you can add 2 cups of water to this tray. So when you have the combination of the water plus the fan, it helps to create that smokeless environment. We did try with water and without water, and it did work both ways. And it can be placed on the dishwasher. Now that we slowly started filling your brain with information, let's go ahead and turn this grill on. And we do this on the side of the machine. Now that Frankenstein is finally awake, we're gonna see the LED light come to life. We have the on and off button. We also have the fan button, which turns on the fan and also turns it off. So that means if you want to grill with the smoke, you can. And then on top of those buttons, we have the temperature up and the temperature down button. And then on top of those buttons, we have the screen that lets you know to what temperature you've set the grill. And all of these are LED illuminated. They're very bright and you can see them in the daytime, outdoors, and nighttime. And if we keep digging in the box, it's nice to see that the manufacturer included barbecue paper. I mean, the owner's manual. Also included in this particular model are some compact metal thongs. So that means we have to pull a tire cover. Now that the cat is out the box, we can go ahead and deconstruct this Frankenstein part by part. Once we remove the lid, we have access to the non-stick grill plate and griddle plate, meaning that you can easily go from a grill master to a samurai metal spatula, waving breakfast king, queen, both or none. So by going from one plate to the other, you have the ability to conquer both worlds. Next, we have the heating element. And just like any other electric grill, toaster, burner, griddle, the hottest places are going to be where this element is making contact, which is great if any of the food that you place on the Frankenstein is cooking faster than expected. You can set it to that colder side. Meanwhile, the others reach that desired temperature, or set to the side so it won't burn. But on the con side, just like the rest, Some may reach the Maillard effect a lot quicker than others. But just like a gas or charcoal grill, moving the food around is the name of the game. But we know that your black belt status covers that. The heating element, the control panel, the panel fan is one unit. Once we turn around the panel, we'll see the panel fan. Next, we have the first drip tray, and this is made of metal, which, according to the manufacturer, is also dishwasher safe, as well as the grill plate, drip tray, collection pan, and glass lid. Next, we have the lightweight plastic body and the second drip tray. Behind the drip tray, we have the electric fan that, according to the manufacturer, you can remove to clean the fan. And this is the part of the grill that makes it unique. It removes the smoke and vapors coming from your food or cooking surface, therefore creating the term smokeless grill. So basically, the idea is that the water absorbs the smoke. And at the bottom, we have U-shaped cutout for easy transporting. Now that your eyes hurt because you saw every nook and cranny from Frankenstein, we're ready to put this to the test. And we're doing both indoor and outdoor. We set the temperature to 430. Spray some cooking spray to get that good sear, and we let it run for a few minutes. We bring out our big guns and verify if that number on the digital panel is legit. So as an average, it is coming close enough. As we said before, because of the heating element, you are gonna find a few degrees under in some places, but overall close enough. And today we're gonna use cured pork chop that been curing on the refrigerator with a liquid curing brine for a couple of days, giving it that almost ham taste flavors at the end. Right away we see the smoke, hear the sizzles, feel the splatters that make this sculptured body sing in harmony. And as Watson may say, there is a reward out once you find that body, because it has been nowhere to be found lately. But don't worry, Grasshopper, it's only a matter of time. If you were to remove the plates at this time, something that we highly encourage not to do because of something called heat, burns, and pain, you'll see how the grease or liquids drop into the first line of the vent. Also, you'll see the vent holes which extract the smoke or vapors once the fan is on. We have tested this grill for about a month now, and both the grilling plate and the griddle plate work very well. Just remembering, not like charcoal or gas where the heat just keeps going and going. Electrical toasters, grills, and other devices, once they reach the temperature that you chose, just like your stove burner, you'll notice it starts turning off to maintain the temperature. So you won't get a quick and fast char like your regular grill, but if you give it enough time, you'll get it. Now, we finally made it to the part of the video everybody's been waiting for, and that is getting to the extraction point, removing that smoke, vapors out of the air to avoid that constant beeping from the smokers. So we're gonna let this run for a little bit, close the lid, and create the undesired ambient that you want indoors. Verify that Watson is not around in case this backfires and doesn't work. We go ahead and press the fan button, and as you can see, it does work. And to make it more visible to the camera, we're going to leave the lid on, and you can see how the vapors and smoke get removed. And this is shown by the lid getting clearer and clearer. Overall, in our testing, the smokeless grill gets the job done. It is a nice addition to the arsenal when you want to have those grill marks, or that feeling of inside, outside, or the outside, inside, or maybe it's just the Matrix and both worlds are colliding as you Neo start controlling it. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.